Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we will learn the names of things found in nature. Can you say nature for me? Nature. To make this activity fun, you will repeat the words after me, okay? Let's start. Jungle. Jungle. Bridge. Bridge. Sky. Sky. Island. Island. Volcano. Volcano. Riverbank. Riverbank. Field. Field. Smoke. Smoke. Dune. Dune. Cliff. Cliff. Canal. Canal. Glacier. Glacier. Hill. Hill. Sea. Sea. Grass. Grass. Pebble. Pebble. Lighthouse. Lighthouse. Tree. Tree. Moss. Moss. Flower. Flower. Sand. Sand. Ground. Ground. Sun. Sun. Stars. Stars. Wasn't that fun? I sure had fun learning all these new words with you. Now let's see how much you remember. Let's take a little quiz. Are you ready? What is this? This is a jungle. What is this? This is a bridge. What is this? This is the sky. What is this? This is an island. What is this? This is a volcano. What is this? This is a riverbank. What is this? This is a field. What is this? This is smoke. What is this? This is a dune. What is this? This is a cliff. What is this? This is a canal. What is this? This is a glacier. You're doing a really good job. What is this? This is a hill. What is this? This is the sea. What is this? This is grass. What is this? This is a pebble. What is this? This is a lighthouse. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? This is moss. What is this? This is a flower. What is this? This is sand. What is this? This is the ground. What is this? This is the sun. What is this? These are stars. Awesome! You did great! You can learn these words even better if you watch the video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.